Hi kids! Hi! What's your new challenge for today? Cake! The magic wheel cake making challenge! Very good! Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the rules are you will have 7 spins each, and whichever ingredient it stops at, you're going to put that in your cake. Okay? We have some base ingredients, which would be the flour, the egg, sugar, and butter. That's right. Okay? So that will be your base ingredients, and everything else which is on the wheel you get as per your luck. So you got your base ingredients there, the flour, the sugar, and the baking powder. Okay, so who's going to take the first spin then? Cheryl? Okay, Alan wants to give it to Cheryl this time. Okay, Cheryl, go ahead, take your first spin. Butter! You've got peanut butter! Okay, Cheryl, what do you want next? Get your sprinkles. Spin the wheel. Hey, Cheryl got gummy bear. Okay.
I love chocolate
Yeah, you got good. Okay, so that's round number 3.
Oh, she doesn't take it! Oh, she got... What you got is what people really put in cake!
Okay, Alan, it's your spin now.
Strawberry icing! I got the strawberry icing! I'm not put it now, I have to put it once it's baked.
Okay, Cheryl, it's your turn to spin for round number 4. Wow, sprinkles!
I got sprinkles! Now it's my turn.
Yes, Alan, come on, spin the wheel.
I want sprinkles.
Spin, round number 5. Hey, you got Coca-Cola!
I want sprinkles.
You want to make it a little more colorful?
Yes.
Okay, try your luck. So round number 6 now.
Please give me M&Ms.
Okay, so it's round number 7 now. And Cheryl, what do you want?
I want strawberry.
It's the
Please give me M&Ms. Cherry's gonna make my fruit cake and mine sweet cake. We're yummy and super. Cheryl. No, I want pink. You take this? Then what you have to get. Thank you. Don't go. No. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
How is it, Cheryl? Does it taste very good?
Maybe that's a draw.
Yes, and that's a draw. Both of you